Hey guys, this lesson we're going to introduce you how to control the robotic arm by app. The control board has loaded with Bluetooth module, so you just need to download app on your phone. Android users can find board installation pack under the send directory. First of all, please enable the Bluetooth and GPS before opening the app. Now I will enter the xArm interface. This app also integrates other products developed by our company. If you want the interface not like this, click here to switch product. The whole interface of this app has three main functions, which are remote control, create action, and my action. Remote control will be mainly introduced in this video. Then connect Bluetooth. Find the Bluetooth icon and select device to connect. When the connection is complete, the Bluetooth icon will stop flashing. Now click Remote Control and the robotic arm returns to the middle position. This is the body control interface. The right side is two-dimensional animation of xArm ESP32 and the left side is the operation buttons, which is greatly lower the difficulty of operation. You can drag to control the ID3, ID4 and ID5 servos directly. At the same time, the posture of robotic arm will also be remained in the interface. The buttons in the left side are used to control ID1, ID2, and ID6 servos. You can drag the sliders corresponding to the servo to control the rotation of servo. There's a tip for you. You can press button without releasing to operate quickly. Finally, click reset button to return to initial posture. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please have a try.